How to insert curved text in Google Docs. So if you want to insert curved text in Google Docs, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Google Docs. After that, go with the document. Once you're here, let me tell you that you won't be able to add a curved text in your Google document, but there's alternative way. What you can do is just simply go with the new tab and search for Canva. After that, go with www.canva.com. Here you need to go with create, which will be in the top left. Scroll down and then go with custom size. And here you need to go with width and length. You can go with the A3 document. Now once you're here on this kind of page, you need to go with text, which will be on the left side. From here, you need to go with add a heading. And here you can type something. Or you can also just simply scroll down a bit from here and then you'll find some curved text right here. Or you can also just simply go with search and search for curve. After searching, you will have some curved text. You can go and select any kind of text that you're comfortable with, like any kind of font. For example, I'll go with this one. Now I'll just simply change the text, which is I'll go with curved text. And as you can see that you will have the curved text right here. Now, what you need to do is just simply go and take a screenshot. After taking a screenshot, you need to go back, open up your gallery. Go with pictures and go with screenshots. Here you need to right click on it and then go with edit. Now here you need to go with crop. And you need to crop and only show the curved text. Once you've done, you need to go with save. Once you've saved, now you need to go back and then open up your Google Documents. After opening your Google Documents, go with insert, go with image, go with upload from computer, pictures, and select the screenshot. Click on open and that's it. You'll have your curved text. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.